What's good, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Press Me by Chris Brown. This is off of his album that just came out, 1111, and it's a dope song. They sampled that Baby Bash and Akon song, Baby I'm Back. But in terms of this particular song, it's really simple to play, especially if you are a beginner, because there's only 2 chords throughout the whole entire song. And so the way I'm going to teach it to you today is that you're going to need a capo on the 3rd fret, and everything is relative to the capo. And so the 2 chords that you're going to need to know is an E-7 and an A-7. Now, for those of you out there that are maybe intermediate or know a little bit about music theory, if you don't have a capo or if you don't want to use a capo, you don't need it. You can just use your index finger to bar the 3rd fret, and then the 2 chords are going to be a G-7 and a C-7. But if you don't understand all that, then don't worry about it. It's kind of a if you know, you know type of thing. But so, capo on the 3rd fret, E-7, A-7, that's how I'm gonna teach it to you today. And let's get into it. The first chord is an E-7, really simple chord to play. That's gonna be the 2nd fret, A string. It's gonna sound like this. That 2nd chord is an A-7, and that's going to be 2nd fret, D string, and the 1st fret, B string. It's going to sound like this. All right, and those are the only the only 2 chords that you're going to need to know. And really what I would do, you can hear it in the song too, but what I would do is just, as you're playing those chords, you want to just pluck the 4 strings in the middle. So you want to just pluck the A, D, G, and B string. And throughout the whole entire song, they're just doing this with the chords. Okay, so it's really simple, and that's all you're gonna need to know. So with the lyrics, it's gonna sound something like this. In the verses, he's rapping, so he's just kind of like, can I touch that? I ain't come to conversate. She like, what's that? It's that $1 million play. I get respect when I'm in and out of state. All eyes on me, but you can have it your way. I be off that Don Julio leaning. I need a pretty young Don who ain't conceited, that match my tempo. Impress me, yeah. Right, and then the chorus is just like, energy, yeah. Give it all to me, yeah. Compress me, yeah. Come take what you need, yeah. Let me see you dance in front of me, yeah. Impress me. Okay, obviously Chris Brown, he's singing it at a higher octave or higher key than I am, but you get the picture. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully this added value to you. If it did, please go ahead and like the video, comment down below, and please consider subscribing if you want more videos like this. And if you want to learn how to play Chris Brown's song Angel Number /10 Toes, you can find that link down in the description below.